This segment of Coast Life is sponsored by Benvenuto.
Well, CoastLife, if you've been running around busy all day, taking the kids to and from school, you've been at work, you want one less thing to have to think about, well, that is where our Dish of the Week comes in. You don't have to worry about dinner. Chef Zeus here at Benvenuto in Milford has you covered with this week's Dish of the Week. So what are you cooking up for us today, Chef Zeus?
Dish of the Week is this beautiful Chicken Madeira, all right? And I'm gonna show you just how beautiful and how simple it is to make. Everything I make here is simple, all right?
That's one of my favorite things about coming here. I feel like I walk away with new ideas, new recipes, new techniques. I'm like, okay, I'm learning.
It's easy, and if it wasn't easy, I wouldn't be doing it.
Love it.
So check this out.
At Benvenuto, Chef Zeus keeps things simple. To make this chicken Madeira, we start with a chicken breast pounded nice and thin. Chef Zeus adds a little salt and a little pepper before coating the chicken in seasoned flour. Once the chicken is coated, it goes in the hot pan.
Always away from you, okay? So if it splashes, it gets on me, all right?
Appreciate you.
All right, and just make sure that this is nice and flat. Now, you can see that the heat that I have on here, it's not splashing, it's not getting everywhere. It's just gonna nicely sear this chicken, but it's not like it's deep fried.
Yeah,
okay?
Beautiful.
The chicken is already about halfway through the cooking process with that beautiful golden brown color. We know to flip the chicken by feel. Chef Zeus says you want the chicken to feel a little firm to the touch.
So you just go by feel. Now feel that, it's not gonna burn you.
Uh-huh.
See how firm it is already? Okay, now this pan over here is sort of just warm, see?
Gotcha.
I can put my hand in it, but this is what's going to finish this through. So I'm gonna move this over.
Once we move the chicken to the warmed pan, it's time to add the rest of the ingredients to what's left behind.
We're gonna leave everything that's in here because this is all little, I call them
Seasoning and
tidbits.
flavor,
yes.
yeah.
Little goody tidbits, all right?
First, the roasted onions.
And these have already been roasted.
Yep.
So they're gonna have a lot of good flavor.
Pack a
in
punch,
them.
yeah.
Yeah, pack a punch, I like that. We're gonna add our roasted mushrooms to this, all right? And mushrooms just taste so much better once they've been roasted, all right? And we're just kind of marrying these two together, okay? We are then gonna come over and grab our tomatoes, all right? Your favorite.
Yeah.
All right, they're so good.
They're really good.
They really are, okay? And we're gonna just build some heat in here, all right? And what we're then gonna do is we're gonna add some of this Madeira wine, all right? Now, with the Madeira wine, I'm gonna also use this guy because, remember, we're cooking on an induction cooker right now, all right? So it's not gonna ignite the way it usually would if we were to have flames. So watch yourself. There it goes, all right? And all we're doing is we're, again, burning off the alcohol and retaining that beautiful Madeira flavor.
Literally,
okay?
yeah.
Yes. I mean, now if you want to, season, you add a little bit of pepper.
Ooh.
All right. Yes, we can add a little bit of salt. Yes. Well, yeah. So if you were to throw the pepper in, see like that, you get all those little
sparks.
Yeah.
To wrap this dish up, we add the stock and the baby spinach, then the cream for a nice base.
All right. And again, we don't want to fully cook that spinach. We want it to have a little bit of body. Okay. All right. And then last but not least, we're going to add some of this Parmigiano Reggiano. And what that's going to do is it's going to help the sauce to sort of thicken.
Then to blend all the flavors, place the warmed chicken back in the pan. Then it's time to plate.
I like mashed potatoes with this.
Oh.
All right. And if you do come in for this, that's exactly how I'm going to serve it.
Perfect.
Okay. All right. But what we do is we'll put a nice base of mashed potatoes down here. We're going to take our chicken that I know is perfectly cooked. Okay. And then we're going to take this wonderful sauce. Okay.
Yummy.
And we are literally going to go right over this.
There you go.
want to go towards front, come back this way. All right. And look at that. All right. Just a wonderful, super simple dish. All right. And then just for a little good measure, we're going to just hit it with a little bit more.
Plating master, there he goes.
Yes, a little bit more green there, just to make it pop. And there you have a beautiful Chicken Madeira. Wonderful on a night like this, right?
Perfect for a night like this. So again, when it looks good, when it smells good, you know it's gonna taste good. So, and of course you can't just stare at this beautiful dish all day. You gotta try it too, which I am so excited to do because again, when it looks good, when it smells good.
And then you'll look at that chicken, see that?
Yep, beautiful.
Perfectly cooked. I like
get
the
all the
tomatoes.
sauce.
Wanna
I
go for
gotta
a
get a
little
tomato, a little
Mhm.
mushroom, that spinach. Oh, I'm so excited. Talk about just a really good comfort meal. You've got sort of the heartiness of the mushrooms that I think adds that comfort. You got the cream sauce. Chicken is perfect.
That flavor is just exploding now, isn't it? And do you taste the seasoning on the chicken? Right? It's amazing. It really is.
It really is amazing. And if you come into Benvenuto and you ask for it, because you're like, I saw that amazing dish of the week on CoastLife, you're gonna get a 10% discount off your dish of the week, which how great is that? We're saving you a little money and giving you an amazing meal. Well, Chef Zeus, as always, thank you so much for having us. Thank you so much for feeding us.
Always.
And we have some more CoastLife for you when we get back.